खबर रसां ज़राए के मुताबिक मरकज़ी हुकूमत इन्फोर्समेंट डायरेक्टोरेट (ईडी) के ज़रिए कांग्रेस की सदर सोनिया गांधी को नफरत की सियासत की बुनियाद पर गैर ज़रूरी तौर पर हरासा कर रही है। इसकी मुखालिफत में बेंगलुरु में KPCC सदर DK शिव कुमार, कानून साज असम्बली में कायद हज़ब इख्तिलाफ सिद्धरामैया, कानून साज कौंसिल में कायद हज़ब इख्तिलाफ BK हरी प्रसाद, साबिक़ वज़ीर आला वीरप्पा मोइली, AICC सेक्रेटरीज़ मायूर SJ कुमार, अभिषेक दत्त, KPCC वर्किंग सदर रामलिंगा रेड्डी, सलीम अहमद, UT खादर, महादेवप्पा, सोशल मीडिया सेल के सदर प्रियांक खरगे, को चेयरमैन KPCC कम्युनिकेशंस मिस्टर मंसूर अली खान भी मौजूद थे और दीगर रहनुमाओं पार्टी कारकुन इस खामोश एहतजाज में शरीक रहे।
which a Congress party trusts property. They have not declared the property belongs to them in their election affidavits, but they are the leaders of the Congress party, they are the president of the Congress party, and they are eligible. I am also a president of the party here. I am eligible for the assets and liabilities of this party. So like that, they are also responsible for that. It is not today Sonia Gandhi will be there, tomorrow Rahul Gandhi will be there, day after tomorrow some others will be there. That means it can't be their property. You are only just trying to, which was being closed by the income tax, closed by the other authorities, you are just taking a political vendetta. You want to harass them. You think that if only Sonia Gandhi and Rahul Gandhi is arrested, all congressmen will shut their mouth. No congressmen in this country who have given their blood, who have given their lives, will not shut. We are the people who gave you freedom. With our freedom, our democracy, our constitution, you are enjoying. You should all BJP guys should not forget that. None of you participated in the freedom movement.
The BJP is saying that courts have allowed these investigations to happen. Let the investigating agency do their work.
Okay, you call them. We will respect them. What is there for calling 50 hours? Is 5 days. What more you want? 5 days. What is there? If you are interested, you put them jail. Let us see. We will face that also. As if we have not seen jail. No, we have also seen jail. My leaders, did not Indira Gandhi go to jail? Did not Mahatma Gandhi ji go to jail? Did not Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel go to jail? Jawaharlal Nehru stayed for 18 years in jail. Again, he ruled this country.
Sir, the BJP is also saying that when Narendra Modi was called for investigation during Gujarat riots, BJP didn't protest. Why are you protesting?
See, it is their issue, but we have not done any mistake. We have not done, our leaders have not done. It is only blatantly you are harassing. You feel that mentally you will weaken them. You can't. She is a strong iron lady who sacrificed a prime minister. She would have become the 10 years prime minister of this country.
What next for the KPCC, sir?
KPCC is nothing. Full of corruption in this government. 1 year, this is not 1 year, 4 years. Full of corruption in this government. They are celebrating the year of corruption. Brahma Brashtotsava. They are doing Brashtotsava. They are doing it. Let they convince the people, let they go to the people, let they tell where oxygen was being not given to them. What is their sadhana? What they have done? Let they go to the youth of this country. Let they tell them what they have done in the for all the employment unemployed youths, how they have cheated them. Let they go tell to the people what they have cheated with the price rise. Well, let they go to the farmers how much the prices of all the urea and manure and whatever the farmer has to. No farmer has got their income double, but the prices has gone to the sky.
Sir, on 28th.
This is their report card on 28th.
28th, 1 year of Bombay government, 3 years of BJP government. How do you see both?
Both is the Brahma Brashtacharada Brashtotsava. They are celebrating the most 4 years corruption.
1 year of Bombay government, how do you rate, sir? 1 year of Bombay government.
Where is the government? There is no government at all. Where is the government here? No government here. You ask the people. You don't ask. You go to. You meet one auto rickshaw driver. You meet a common man. Let it tell there is a government here.
Thank you, sir.